Today is all about the TH words, like the, or three. Are you ready? Let's start by learning the correct pronunciation for TH. When we pronounce TH, we need to make our tongue outside our mouth, and it needs to sit on our lower lip and under our top teeth, like this. Can you make that? I know it feels crazy, but this is the correct way to pronounce the TH sound. Let's start with the word the. Can you say it? The. Good. The. Make sure your tongue is in the right position. The. Now let's try a sentence. Can you read this sentence? Very good. The girl likes the pizza. Excellent. Sometimes when the word the comes before another word that starts with a vowel, like A, E, I, O, or U. For example, elephant. We change the word the and pronounce it the. So, the elephant, the apple, the banana. Can you say the word the? Good. Can you read this sentence? Good. Could you see the word that started with the vowel? Ant. That's right. Ant starts with a vowel. So, the ant bites the boy. Very good. Let's try another TH word. They. They. Very good. Can you read this sentence? Good. They are in the car. Are you remembering to put out your tongue? They. Good job. Let's try one more. There. There. To make the R sound in there, first we need to position our tongue for the TH. The, and put your tongue back in your mouth and get ready to make a sound for the R. There. Can you make it? There. There. Now try say this sentence. Good. Elephant starts with a vowel. So we need to say, where is the elephant? It is over there. Very good. Now we're going to try some more words, but this time the TH is in the middle of the word. We still need to remember to make the tongue position for TH. Th. Let's try with this word. Mother. Mother. Don't forget the R on the end. mother. Good. Have a go at reading this sentence. Excellent. The teacher is my mother. Can you hear that when the TH is in the middle of a word, it's softer? Mother, mother. Now let's try this word. Do you know this word? Father, father. Very good. Let's read this sentence. Excellent. My father is in town. Well done. Let's try another word. Brother, brother. Can you read this sentence? Very good. Fantastic. I am not your brother. Very good.